Do you receiving? Yes. Let me actually enable chats on my tablet. Yep, here. Yep. Let's go. Christy, hello Christy. How are you doing, Christy? Under 30 seconds, lol. That's fucking true. You are continuing on this journey, catching me in random times instantly. That's crazy. Yeah, I think that's alright. Stop this. How are you doing today, Christy? How is your day? We should probably handle those in where? In Helix Manager. Can you stop this? Remove print line, test the sorts, and add to do. Yep. Today. Alright, we have this. What should we do next? We need to check on the register controller the role. Yeah, how can we do this? Let's change here. We're gonna need to change the Twitch. Get channel chat badges. Get the broadcasters list of custom chat badges. Oh no, it's custom chat. Maybe Helix have some. Oh, provider get. Bot create, yeah. We should go to the Twitch service, you know, and here we should create a new method. Twitch service. And for now it's gonna be test, because I need to know client. Need to get client. Helix manner and get up context, yeah. Here we should check badges. Get user in channel. Badges. Get chat point equivalence. No, I need to somehow get the information about what the state of the bot in the channel. This is what she said. Rate limits. I want to know the event sub rate limits for the channel chat message. kinda live. What is pub? Mm-hmm. What channel guest star session begin? Channel guest star? What the fuck is this? When the host begins a new guest star session. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, but we still need to figure out the rate limits. Managing subscriptions, maybe? Yeah, subscription limits, for example. Is a cost-based system for subscription limit. Subscription responses include the following fields to help you keep track of your subscription limits. There is a limit of 3 subscriptions with the same type and condition. Mm-hmm. Oh, so everything is free if the user is authorized. So yeah, then probably it's gonna be alright for me. I don't know why, by the way, it was costing me to subscribe to the chat messages, but maybe it's alright. Okay, then Twitch API. Now we need to. Let's Google Twitch API. How to check if bot is moderator. Motherfucker, what are you talking about? The Twitch bot. The best way to be just save the status of the account every time the mod message gets sent, but I can figure out. Nice, nice. I'm not working. Each channel can do one command per 6-10 seconds. I suppose the very popular bot is 30 active channels could come close. In that case, I would probably just start spawning multiple bots, each with a set of 5-10 channel it joins. I don't think it's IP rate limited, but I don't know. Do I need to check that? Get moderators. Yeah, I don't know. For now, I can just skip that, you know. So, what should we do next? We can subscribe. Later I want to create the whitelist so I could like manage who can join and who cannot. Right now, we should start building the foundation for the core. So let's go to the core. I don't know. Do I want to split it or not? But for now, it's gonna be just a core. Git init. Go init. Arnabot core. Yeah, yeah. Let's add dot end and temp or tmp. Oh, no git push in that case. But yeah, let's go to the shared. I had events. Yeah, events. Now everything here is gonna get gutted. Let's think it's gonna be, for example, type. Okay, we're gonna need to know the platform. Trace ID definitely gonna be there. Wait, what? It's gonna be T. Oh no, I don't need that because it's all the trace ID gonna be passed using the different type of events. Did I actually delete it wrong file? No, everything is Gucci. Okay, we should have. ID. What was that? Message string. We need to have apply to ID probably. Yeah, we're gonna need to have a platform from which the event message came from. We need to have a message. User ID. Sorry, I had a crappy internet. I was like at Chick-fil-A. Alright. Is everything alright right now? Is everything already alright with the internet? No? Is music too loud? Or it's alright? Do I need to lower it? Yeah, good, thank you. How are you? I'm fine, I'm fine. I just out of the shower, decided to stream how I code for like for an hour or so. I need to develop. It's a little bit. It's a. It's a little, but it's okay. Yeah, I can lower. I can lower that. It's actually a little bit too noisy for my taste as well. So everything is all right. How was your day? How was the games and stuff like that? Let's see. I need to see how the channel chat message gonna look like. Oh yeah, message ID. I need to have that. I'm just getting on now. Marvel had an update, new character and buffs and debuffs. Oh, alright, alright. We have a new healer, a flyer healer. Oh, alright. And which the character it is? Is that the popular character or it's some underground type of character? Platform, everything message related here, everything. I never heard of him, Ultron or something like that, but it's not a huge Marvel, but I'm not Ultron? That's the... Is he healer? Marvel Rivals new character. Oh yeah, Ultron. Yeah, it's... Does they make him healer? Because he does not strike me as a healer type of character. Yeah, it was a character in the Marvel movies that Tony Stark created. And also he was in multiple other like, of course it was at first in the comics, but yeah. I'll find out in a second. Yeah, I think maybe like Cloak and Dagger. He's healer robot. Yeah, you're probably gonna find out and gonna tell me. But to be honest, I doubt that he's a healer. But if he are actually a healer, it's pretty interesting. All right, let's. I need ID string caster name broadcaster username. Yeah, login name is better naming actually. You're right, Twitch. Yeah, platform chatter ID string chatter login string chatter name string. Message ID, the message. We should create the type mode struct. Premium. I ran out of the premium. Yeah. Update the payment. Let me actually update the payment then. Let me quickly buy the premium. Yep. You got the premium. Nice. Uh, let's reboot the Spotify so he can get the information. What the fuck is playing on the and random numbers? No, this. Yep. Alright, we should have in emote struct. Probably platform. What should we have in type of emote? Plot. It's gonna be platform for now. How does the emotes look? Alright, for now, we can skip the emotes. It's gonna be useful later, but for now we can skip those. Color. Broadcaster is ID, broadcaster name, chatter, message ID. Text, channel points highlighted, channel points sub only, user info, intro, power-ups, message effect, power-ups, G. Alright, I don't care about that. I don't care about... Alright, for now, we can keep this. Just chatter name. Do I have something valuable here in subscription? By the way, let me check if the bot's still in the channel. Yep, it's still here. Nice. In subscription, there is nothing interesting. I can get them. Bot ID string to some bot ID. So yeah, we have a platform from which the event message come. We should, yeah, emotes. It's gonna be array of. Like and hello, just on average chat message. Hello, Mr. Broadcaster name Arnabro. Hello, hello. How are you doing? It's nice to see you. Do I have everything here? Do I have everything here? Enjoying my 3 minutes of sitting down. How's you feeling today? I'm alright. I'm now in the new territory, and because of that, I'm not finished with the current microservices, like the Twitch integration, stuff like that. But now, to progress, I need to create a new one, and it's like again working from the ground up. And because of that, I need to think how I want to design. Like, this is gonna be a message that gonna be parsed from YouTube, from Twitch, and stuff like that. And I should like think how it's gonna be parsed from the Twitch or YouTube and gonna be turned into that. And so I could unify them so they look the same for my core. For example, it's definitely a bad idea to include the broadcaster information when I'm gonna be dealing with the Discord, but I don't think I'm gonna be using the same event messages, you know, because there is a difference between interacting with the streaming platforms and Discord. Oh, yeah. And I should probably do at least something, and then I'm gonna be seeing the difference, you know, in the real world, and see the rough edges, and then I can change them. Because right now I'm just doing voodoo magic and just trying to guess how it should look. Because I don't have the implementation. I only right now have this. Ultron is a healer, but he's like Cloak and Dagger. He does both heals and DPS. Oh, alright. Interesting. I never would have guessed that they decided to make the Ultron is a healer. That's interesting. And also you said that there was another character, right? What the other character do? By the way, like, at which time you gonna be streaming today? Before 12 or before 12 or after 12? But it's my 12. Which time you have? No, there's only Ultron. Ultron. Alright, alright. Tell him I said hello. Christy saying hello to you, Lycan. How can I give you a time when another human being falls asleep? Motherfucker. You definitely can tell a time when another human gonna go to sleep, because you can. I don't fucking know. I have no answer to that. You just owned me. How was your games? Tell him just put her bed and get his ass on. You heard the lady. Just do this, lol, forehead. How was your games yesterday? Did you survive at least some? It's gonna be closer to 12 your time than 11 regardless. Alright. We both have demons, I'm just messing with him. Yeah, I understand that. Yeah, I don't have any integrations with emotes, so fuck the emotes for the time being. After that, I'm gonna be doing something like that. If you're looking to play tonight, I can speed up my getting ready process. And also, hi, Lycan says, hi, Christy. So, hi, Christy. If you're looking to play tonight, I can speed up my getting ready process. Yeah, I'm thinking about playing some games today, because I didn't play any games for quite some time already, and I have an urge to play. So yeah, I'm looking forward to play together. Yeah, core chat message notify, and also I need to make we have topics and we have types. I think no, full user upload, user Twitch, user ID. We can delete that. Yep. And also You gotta know I'm feeling love. By the way, why are you guys in here? I want to rename you to the upper because it's not like and also sort should be moved here as well. Message broker types, alpha request. And let's create core package member types. How I was doing that? Half session token request. Core chat message notify. I'm gonna be equal to the request of event message. Yeah, event message. Yeah, probably there is no reason to merge the Discord messages and stuff like that because it's probably gonna be a completely different thing altogether. Okay, I'm gonna be using that one to send messages. And now let's go to the services. Yeah, here we can create core model service and pass all of that. Here we can change to the core service, new core. It's gonna be channel chat message notify. There will be no response. It's gonna take event event message. And we should Yeah, I cannot do the wrapper around that. It's gonna be payload bytes. It's gonna be not request. It's gonna be send. It's not notify. How it's called? Fucking hell. I forgot the name. Send. No. Publish. Yeah, publish. Topics. Core chat message notify. Payload bytes. Yeah, there will be no message. And it's not the request, it's payload. Can you stop double tapping? There will be no response. Cannot. Cannot notify about the new message. Yeah, that looks good. Chat message notify. Everything else we can delete. Also, we should incorporate and create the model for the Twitch. So Core could send the messages to the Twitch. Or should we abstract it in some way? No. Let's copy that and create new. It's gonna be called Twitch. Module series. If I'm using the same messages, it probably can be a platform specific. Platform module service, and it's gonna enable me. Nah, it has a different, probably gonna be. Let's for now make it robust without any things, without any abstractions. Twitch module service. It's gonna return Twitch. I probably can later create like the same for everyone, because they're all gonna receive the same message, just yeah, I just didn't know. What we gonna do? Start poll. Yeah, there is a lot more functionality on the Twitch, for example, comparing to the YouTube, because you can create the polls and stuff like that. Yeah, probably they're gonna have a lot of differences. Twitch module service. Yep. And we should make a new type of event. Events. Type. Event send message. It's gonna be having a platform, definitely. We can create type event common struct. And it's gonna have the platform string. And also it's gonna be having the bot ID string. And it's gonna be having broadcaster ID string. Platform. It's some kind of a brain lag from my part. Yeah. Event common. Yeah, we should always know which platform, what the bot, and which broadcaster. It's gonna be message JSON just gonna ignore the reply too if it's gonna be YouTube. Message reply to. All right. No, I need to go to the chat, send message. Event send message. Type request. No. How it was called for Twitch. It's not Twitch, you know? Platform. Chat message. Send. Gonna be pull request with event send message. Event message sent. Do I need to specify that it's an event? It can be just message, you know? Yeah, for now it's gonna be like that. Core chat message. How it's called? Model. Yeah, it's gonna be notify. Fuck this. It's gonna be notify. Rename that to the platform. Font for chat message send. Which model platform chat message sent. Which core topics. I don't know, do I need the naming conventions, two different naming conventions? Oh, dear. Cannot. Yep, Twitch module service. Chat and message. Nice. Now I need to listen to that. We need to create a message broker. Do we do the controller? Just controller. If we're gonna have the this one's how did I did that in Alf? It's gonna be terminal message broker. Yeah, message broker only have the controllers. Oh yeah, it should have the Can you stop this fucking W? Channel chat. Controller, let's go. Package controller, type. It's gonna need to have for example, to the session service. Oh yeah, I don't need anything here. Just the handlers. Exchange token for a user. Send a message. Yeah, okay. Also, I'm probably gonna need here Twitch service, pointer to the service, Twitch service. Here I'm gonna need Twitch service. I'm gonna go crazy. Twitch service. Pointer to the chat controller, and we're gonna return chat controller with, oh yeah, we should have here definitely loggers, upload, new service logger, message broker, chat. Logger is gonna be logger. And Twitch service is gonna be Twitch service. After that, we're gonna have function controller to chat controller connect. We're gonna accept the con, is gonna be nuts. Con. And it's gonna be you subscribe to the topics. Twitch chat message send. It's gonna be topics. Twitch chat message send. And it's gonna be a handler function chat controller send chat message send. It's gonna be message pointer to the nuts message. What's wrong? Here I'm gonna provide chat message, ms, not sms. No, not sms. Message. Yep. Nice. It accepts message handler. So message handler doesn't return any errors, right? Yeah, it's just a function that receives the message. Chat controller. Let's actually handle the errors here. Sort. No error. Cannot subscribe to the topic. printf this, and I'm gonna provide topics tweet chat message send. Yep, like that. Missed down one. Yep. Subscription. What does subscription give me? What can I do? I don't need any of that right now. I don't need any of that. I'm just gonna payload is gonna be var payload and the types platform chat message send. I'm gonna decode and then do the next unit controller context. This function I'm gonna yoink from here. Yeah, I'm just gonna yoink that, and I ain't creating the separate package for that right now. It's gonna be a chat controller, and it's gonna be pointing to the import where is it? How it's called? How it's called in the? It's called controllers. Oh yeah, message broker. Message broker controllers. Nuts controller. And everything I need to know here is to call chat controller, connect, and pass the connection. It's organize imports. trace. First of all, it's called controllers, there is no need for that. Alright. Payload, decode, message data. It returns an error, but I'm gonna ignore it for now. And after that, I should context cancel get new controller context. Trace ID is gonna be payload trace ID. Yep. Here we're gonna do the context is context. Also need to do defer cancel. And also the bot ID is gonna be payload data bot ID, payload data broadcaster ID, payload message payload data message, and also reply to. Reply to, yep. Not return. Error context cannot send message to channel. Yeah, let's do like that, and then like that, and then like that, and here we're gonna have broadcaster ID is gonna be or I can just payload and we just return here. Yeah, that should work. Now I can send messages to the Twitch and ask them to send those. Twitch chat message send. Yeah, for now it's gonna be Twitch chat message send. Yeah, now we should go to the main and create controllers pointer to the message broker controllers. Yep. Load API. And here we're gonna go load the message broker controllers. Up. Message broker controller can be equal to the message broker controllers. Here it's gonna be which one? It's gonna be chat controller. It's gonna be controller, new chat controller, and Twitch service. It's gonna be up. Services, Twitch service. Yep. Yeah, and in start I should add start message broker server. And I should uncomment this. I'm fucking tired of this W. Swear to God, I'm so fucking tired of this W. Message broker, yeah, it should work. No. Yep. We finished with that. Let's commit our changes. Git status, git add everything here. Commit add. Yep. We finished here. Let's go to the shared. Git status. Events. Git commit add. Refactor group common properties of events into event common. Git add topics, git commit and add core topic, core and Twitch topics, and rem. Unused ones. input type score and add core. Add platform for send messages. I'm fucking bagging with this keyboard. It's Q, W, and 1 is sticky. I want to fucking demolish this keyboard at this point. To interact with the core service. Git status, git add service, Twitch module service, git commit Twitch is to interact with Twitch service. Alright, we expanded some stuff here. Yeah. It's already 2 hours. Damn. That was fast. Alright. I think, yeah, we done a little bit here. We created some shared services to interact with the Twitch and core module. There is no core module, but already an ability to interact with him and notify about new messages. What should I do is next is start developing the core module that's gonna receive messages, gonna look at them, do the appropriate stuff, handle them, and then send, for example, we should do the ping pong command. The first our task is do the ping pong command. Yeah. But yeah, for now, I think it's enough for today. I'm gonna be ending stream now. Thank you everyone for being here. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.